Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we are going to discuss the literary term deconstruction. Introduction. Deconstruction, as introduced by French thinker Jacques Derrida, is a theory and practice of reading that challenges the assumption that language can provide fixed and definite meanings to a literary text. Instead, deconstruction aims to reveal the conflicting forces within the text, leading to an array of incompatible and undecidable possibilities. Derrida's work has its roots in the philosophical concepts of Friedrich Nietzsche, Martin Heidegger, and Sigmund Freud. No outside the text. Derrida's critical proposition is that there is no outside the text, suggesting that readers cannot access external fixed meaning beyond language. He contends that Western philosophies and language usage are logocentric, relying on an absolute ground or presence to establish meanings. However, Derrida argues that these attempts are bound to fail, as language is inherently differential, relying on the play of differences between signifiers and signifieds. Deconstructive reading process. A deconstructive reading involves a double reading process. Initially, a text is interpreted in the standard manner to produce provisional meanings. The critical reading that follows disseminates these meanings into an indefinite range of contradictory interpretations, resulting in undecidability and aporia. Deconstruction aims to subvert binary oppositions and destabilized textual boundaries, revealing the inherent rhetoricity and figurative nature of language. Paul DeMann and Barbara Johnson are influential critics who applied deconstruction to literary texts. DeMann emphasized warring forces within texts, while Johnson examined the interplay of grammar and rhetoric. J. Hillis Miller also used deconstructive methods to explore the indeterminacy of literary works. Deconstruction's impact. Deconstructive literary criticism contrasts sharply with new criticism, which sought to establish bound and coherent meanings within a text. Deconstruction shows that literature lacks totalized boundaries and disseminates into an indefinite range of conflicting meanings, making all reading necessarily misreading. Deconstruction was not meant to be a mode of literary criticism, but literary critics in America have adapted Derrida's approach to analyze specific texts. Critics argue that deconstruction reveals the fictionality, lack of genuine ground, and rhetoricity common to all texts, thereby challenging traditional notions of literary interpretation. So this was the discussion on the term deconstruction. If you have any questions or doubts, you can ask in the comment section, and we will meet in the next video with some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.